morning, students. See in this multiplication chapter, page number 28, multiplication table of 7, 8 and 9. Let us make the 7, 8 and 9 table like the 6 times table. See here table 7 given, 8 given and 9 table given. 7 table, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70. Then 8 table here, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, 8 10 is 80. Then see here next one table 9 table given here, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 63, 9 8 is 72, 9 9 is 81 and 9 10 is 9 10 is 90. Making a multiplication table with the help of addition. So here 4 times table is given and 2 times table is given. When you addition this 4 times table and 2 times table, then you will get this 6 times table. Then you will get here 6 times table. See here. Here you write 4 times table. Write this. 4 times table. Here write 2 times table. And here write addition. And here write 6 times table. Then see here, firstly you write here 4 times table. Write this 4 table. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36, 4 10 is 40. Then here write 2 times table. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 2 10 is 20. Then addition. You do here addition these two numbers. 4 plus 2, 6. Then 8 plus 4, 12. Then 12 plus 6, 18. See here. 16 plus 8, 24. Then 20 plus 10, 30. 24 plus 12, 36. Then 28 plus 14, 28 plus 14, 42. 42. 32 plus 16, 48. 32 plus 16, 48. 36 plus 18, 36 plus 18. See here, 54. And 40 plus 20, right here, 40 plus 20, then 60. Then see this 6 time table. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54 and 6 10 is 60. Means when you write here 4 time tables, 2 times table and these two tables will do here addition and you will get this 6 times table. Here again one given here. We can make a new table using 2 tables that we already know. So we can make the 7 times table. We can make the 7 times table with the help of 4 and 3 times table. With the help of 4 times and 3 times table. Firstly you write here 4 times table, 3 times table. Then afterwards you write here addition of these two tables and you will get this 7 times table. Write here next one table. Write here next one table. See, firstly you write here 4 times table. Right, 4 times table. Afterwards write here 3 times table. 3 times table. Then you write here addition. Addition. See this. You make columns. Firstly write here 4 times table. Then 4 table write here. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36 and 4 10 is 40. Then you write here 3 times table means 3 table write. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30. Then you write here addition of these two tables. 4 plus 3, 7, 8 plus 6, 14, 12 plus 9, 21, 16 plus 12, 28, 20 plus 15, 35, then 24 plus 18, 42, 28 plus 21, 49, 32 plus 24, 56, then 36 plus 27, 63, and 40 plus 30, 70. Write this 7 table. See here, when you write here 4 times table, 3 times table and do here addition of these two tables, then you will get here 7 times table. 7 times table. See this 7 table. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63 and 7 10 is 70. Again one example is given here. You write in homework in this type. Firstly you write here 5 times table, 3 times table, then you do here addition of these two tables, then you will get here 15 times table. 8 table. 8 table. Then in homework all of you complete this. Firstly write 5 times table, 3 times table, then you do here addition of these two tables, then you will get here this 8 times table. Then in homework all of you complete. Okay.